Hi boys and girls, this is chapter 11, lesson 5 in math. Today we are going to talk about measuring objects using two different units of measuring. So today you might measure something in inches and feet. So how many inches it is, and then also measure it again and use feet as the label. So I hope on Friday you practice measuring with your three different tools, the ruler, the yardstick, and your measuring tape, because today you're going to need them all again. You are going to measure the same object 2 times because you're going to measure the same object using 2 different labels. Okay, it's going to be very important to pay attention to which number you're putting next to the label. I will also send a picture of this page in case it helps you. Okay, and this is going to help you remember how something like 12 inches, and I'll get my ruler back out. Another name or way to say 12 inches is 1 foot. So 12 inches is also equal to 1 foot. If I'm measuring my math book in inches, I could say, hold it up. My math book is about 12 inches long. Okay, it's a little bit shorter than 12 inches. Or my math book is about 1 foot long. 2 ways to measure the same object, and you need to be very careful about your labels. So if I was measuring it in inches, I would say it's 12 inches. And if the label says feet, I would say it is 1 foot. When you are looking at these, I'm going to show you some of the samples in lesson 5. The first one is a hockey stick, and when they measured the hockey stick the first time, it was asking for inches, how many inches long it was, which is 48 inches. And then they used the same hockey stick but had a different label. 4 feet. So a couple different objects that you'll measure, and you'll see the 2 different labels that they'd like you to use. So I would suggest that you do one at a time. For example, the first one is a desk. Measure it first in feet, and then kind of reset, measure it again, and look for how many yards. So get all of your tools back out in case you need different tools for different lengths of objects.